Hello parents, this is Miss Wilson from the Special Ed Department for 3rd through 5th grade at Blackman Elementary School. Here you can find the times we will be meeting for reading and math. If your child's in the 3rd grade and does reading, for instance, your child will meet with me from 7:50 to 8:30 a.m. If they're only in the math portion, then 8:35 to 8:45 for math. And you can see here's the 3rd grade schedule, the 4th grade schedule, and the 5th grade schedule. I'm going to be sending out and posting a video link that we will use for all 3 days for Zoom. And it will be on Kidem. And I will also post it on Class Dojo for parents. So please be looking for that link. And if you have any problem, please email me at wilsonjen, WILSONJEN, at rcschools.net. And I can send you the link personally to your email. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.